Ipinaalam sa publiko ngayong linggo, August 11, ng It's Showtime host na si Karil ang pagpanaw ng kanyang ama na si Modesto Tatlughari. Sa isang Instagram post, nag-upload si Karil ng ilang larawan sa simbahan at ang misang isinagawa para sa yumaong ama. Inalala rin ni Karil ang pagmamahal ng ama sa kanyang madamdaming mensahe. It is with profound sadness that I announce the passing of my dad, Papa M, Doc, Dr. Moy, Tito M. He was a beloved man who lived life fully, always a presence in a room, while also making sure everyone felt seen and heard. He, too, was always seen and heard with his handsome, cute face, youthful forma, and booming voice, sulat ni Karil. Sa kanyang mensahe, ipinarating din ni Karil kung gaano siya kaswerte sa kanyang ama. I was always lucky cause he was my dad, ani Karil. Nagpaabot naman ng pakikiramay kay Karil ang ilang celebrity.